Hey guys, here we are at Kailui Airport flying Hawaiian Airlines from Maui to Honolulu. Enjoy! So I got through check-in and security and now I'm walking to gate 23 where my flight HA115 will be taking us to Honolulu, departing at 8:07. So this is my aircraft, the Boeing 717 taking me to Honolulu. We were a bit stuck at the gate because the plane came late, so we had a late departure time. So at 8 o'clock we boarded the plane to go to Honolulu. So this is my seat, 13A. So after takeoff, we either had the option of water or a juice. So I chose juice. The juice was passion fruit, orange, guava, nectarine. It was a nice juice for this flight. So as I was drinking my juice, I heard an announcement that we were descending into Honolulu. Overall, this was a great flight. I enjoyed it heaps and I would recommend it to other people. I also like how on Hawaiian Airlines they give you a little drink, but while other airline carriers they don't give you anything on some short flight. So it's a really good step up for Hawaiian Airlines, I have to say. So just remember guys, travel safe.